Instagram's gonna be so lit for the next 10 days. Good morning, everybody. It is like 9:15 a.m. We reached the airport pretty early. Me and Barkha Jain are on our way to Singapore. Check-in's done. The lady at the check-in counter was super bitchy. I gave her a lot of attitude. The world makes sense now. Now though, we're gonna go into the boarding immigration line. So I'll see you later, alligator. So if you guys don't know, I'm going on a vacation with my sister. We've been planning this vacation for ages, and by ages I mean like 9 months, because we were planning on going in Jan, then we were planning on going in May, then we were planning on going in July, and now finally in September we are going. Though everything got done pretty quick. It's like 9:30, our flight's at 11:30, 11:45. We have 2 whole hours to kill with security, check-in, immigration, everything done. So I think we're gonna hog a little bit. Also, my airport OOTD is really cool. So I'm wearing this t-shirt that I picked up from the boys section. I'm wearing my sneakers and my tights. Fancy. Finally in Singapore. Everyone here is like super silent, so no matter how much I want to scream right now, I'm not able to do that. So silent screams. We're just waiting for our luggage, and then Masi's come to pick us up. This airport, by the way, is gorgeous. Last time I was in Singapore, we landed in Malaysia and then took a bus from Malaysia to Singapore. So I never came to Changi Airport. This is gorgeous. Also, it's humongous. Finally in Singapore. We've been planning this for the longest time, and now that it's here, I'm like, no, tell me this is Hyderabad, tell me this is Delhi. So I think we're just gonna take our luggage and move on. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Awesome. So last night from the airport we got home and we were expected to fall asleep, but then me, this human here, and my Masi, we were up till like 6 in the morning just gossiping. So like 2 consecutive nights of no sleep, but I think I coped pretty well. Anyway, today we were planning on going to Universal Studios, but then I overslept. We couldn't wake up on time. So now we're going to the zoo. Also super excited about that. I've been to the zoo before. I want to go there again. If you haven't been to Singapore and you're planning, you should totally go to the zoo, because it's just stupid to miss going there. Anyway, so let's go. Good morning, Bolo.
Good morning.
Reaching home and dying in bed is becoming like a daily theme for Singapore. Hey everybody, good morning. It is day 3 in Singapore, and today we are on our way to Universal Studios. Slightly later than what we had planned. We decided to leave for Universal Studios by around 10:30. It's like 11:30.
12.
It's 12. So yeah, a little more than slightly late, but that's okay. It's like a 20-25 minute cab drive, and now we're on our way to take the cab. So let's go. Good morning, Barki.
Good morning.
Bye. It's not even funny. So many times. So they have like blue taxis here, yellow taxis here, red taxis here, white taxis. So every time I see a red car, I'm like, stop, stop, and that's a private car, and the driver looks at me like, okay, bitch. So yep, waiting for a taxi. Hopefully we get one. just went to the Revenge of the Mummy ride. It was crazy. I knew what it was because I've been there before. Didi's never been, so it was super surprising. Also, I don't know how I could forget about it. Like, I just remembered one stunt where it goes like there's a lot of like sudden things happening, but it was crazy. And we also got a picture. Oh, well, check it out. That's us after during the ride. Now I don't know what we're gonna what we're gonna do. So let's see.
What is your name?
My name is Raja.
Raja. Where you from?
India.
India, where you at? Alright, are you ready? Freestyle in 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. That's right. Cha-cha. Freestyle. Clap your hands, everybody. Come on. From India. That's right. Cheers. Party all night. Party all night. Party all night. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now boom, 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 boom. That's right. Other side, beautiful. Other side. And 5, 6, 7, 8. It's all about the bass. Come back in the middle. Now turn around. And flip. And freeze. It's okay. Good job. Do that.
Did you see how awesome I was? I finally got picked. Everywhere we're going, like all shows, all performances, I'm like, pick me, but nobody picked me, but the cute boys from the top picked me. It was super fun. I danced, I repped India everywhere I go. I'm always gonna be a Ghati dancer. Thank you very much. Good morning, everybody. It is day 4 in Singapore. Ooh, I'm a rapper, bro. Now, though, we are going shopping finally. So, Masi's there in pink. Hi, Masi. So, she suggested that we go shopping on day 1, but we were sensible. At least one of us was sensible. And we said, we were like, are you mad? First day of shopping, we won't have any money left for the rest of it. And I learned this on my trip to Dubai. So what we did in Dubai last year was, by the way, I'll link the vlog somewhere in the description. Go check it out. But what we did in Dubai was, day 1 of sightseeing, we went to the mall. And we spent more than 70% of the money we had carried. And then we were like, okay, so this time we decided on going to places we wanted to see first and then keep shopping for the last days of the vacation. It's not the last day of the vacation. We've still got like more than half the vacation to go, but there's progress so far. So we're going to this place called Bugis. There's street shopping, there's a mall there, so it should be fun. Let's go. Done with lunch. This one's my plate. This is Barkha Didi's and that's Tina Mossi's. Tina Mossi's been in Singapore for more than 10 years now and she's never tried Singaporean food. Like everything that she ate today, she was like, this is my first time. Like she's never tried any of the local food here, which is funny. I had the mee goreng though, it was delicious. Now we're gonna go ahead with shopping. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. I'm shooting my Sawal Saturday video with this monkey. Say hi.
Hi.
So she told me that I've sent so many questions to you for Sawal Saturday, but you never used them. I was like, okay, let's shoot this video together. This is our setup. I put my phone on a gorilla pod. There, you can see it. And now we are shooting it together. So yeah, let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey guys, so we are at Sentosa and we're actually gonna go zip lining, all 4 of us. There's a lot of fun stuff to do, but I'm a scaredy cat, so the mega zip is the most I'm gonna do. She wanted to jump off, but then the jump's not so exciting, so we're just gonna do the zip. Sunday morning. I'm sorry I did not vlog much after we went to Sentosa yesterday because after that it was just a whole family day. But now we are at the ferry terminal and we are on our way to Bintan. It's a tiny island in Indonesia. So I think now is a nice time to end vlog number 1. I did this with Malaysia, I'm going to do it again. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I'm going to be vlogging the rest of my trip too, so make sure you wait for the second vlog. I'm just going to leave you like that. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should do that because it's free. I'll see you guys again on Thursday. Until we meet. Love, love. I've terrorized my whole family.